Hey y'all, hey. So I wanted to come and let you know about a few things that I now have and that I'm offering that many of you have been asking me for. So I wanted to hop on here and let you know that it's now available. I have some packages or kits or bundles available on my Etsy page. One for new moon. I have a new moon bundle that's available. This is something that you can order for the new moon each month. It is specific to that new moon. So it's going to be in consideration of what's going on astrologically or cosmically. It's also going to be in alignment with new moon energy and just in however spirit leads me, or what spirit leads me to include in that new moon kit. And so each one will be specific each month, and it'll also come with instructions. You'll get an instructional video that'll help you to know how to use the different things and how to take full advantage of that bundle. So it'll come with things like gemstone. It most likely will come with a spiritual bath. It may come with an oil. It may come with a spray. It's definitely going to come with a specific prayer and affirmations for that new moon. So yeah, I used to do this back in the day. So some of you all used to get those and you're like, when are you going to start doing that again? So it's back, okay? I'm also doing one for the full moon as well. So I have the new moon and the full moon one. So yeah, you're going to fully enjoy that. That is the whole point of this bundle is just to assist in you using a level of intentionality around that time. Most of you all know that I offer new moon and full moon meditations each month, and they're very impactful. They've changed a lot of people's lives. A lot of people tune into those and have found great benefit from them since I've been doing those in 2015. And I often encourage, hey, utilize this gemstone, utilize this candle color. You may want to use this herb, this oil, this aroma, this whatever during this time in association with the energy of that new moon or full moon. So this kit will help you to have something that, I am putting a level of intentionality into to suggest to use during that time. All right. And so I have one for new moon and full moon for that. The other thing that I have available is a break every chain kit. And so this is a kit that helps you to experience a level of, opening. You may be feeling like, there's some static, or there's some stagnation, or, you may feel like, you're very visionary and you're feeling very ambitious, but you're seeing some stagnation, or you can't quite give over to faith or trust in how your life is flowing, or you just feel like there needs to be an opening in your life. And that's what this break every chain kit is for. It comes with a gemstone, a spiritual bath, some specific prayers, and some specific affirmations or mantras. You get that, and instructions on how to use that. I also have a stress and grief relief kit. And so it's also going to include some products to use, some specific prayers, some specific affirmations to use for that. And then I have so those are all of the bundles. Those are all the kits. And then the last thing I want to mention is I have been inspired to offer you the opportunity to be involved in a weekly prosperity and abundance petition. This is something that I do with my members, the members of OU Ministries. Thursday is the day of Jupiter. It's the day of expansion. It's the day, many call it a day of abundance. Thursday is typically the day I focus a little bit on, the vibration of abundance and fertility and expansion. And so Thursdays are already typically my day of kind of focusing my energy on gratitude and abundance, expanding my mind, expanding the consciousness. So I'm offering you to participate in a petition that I have begun to do every Thursday. And during this petition, I'm it's a very intentional time. I'm doing some level of work at sunrise and then also at sunset, with some intentionality involved, and also with the people who are participating in mind. And so you can participate in that by purchasing that on Etsy. When you purchase, it's going to ask you for your full name and your birth date. And that's all that you need to put in there. You don't have to put, no, I don't ask for anything else. Let me just put it like that. I don't ask for anything else. But you do that. Once I have your name and your birthday, that's enough. And then I do my thing on those Thursdays. And so it is essential for you to do that by Wednesday evening, because the petition is going to happen Thursday morning, every Thursday morning. And the benefit of this is, it's like how they say, like, when two or more gather together in the name of the Almighty, there's power in that. And so we're talking about a collective of people that's setting their intention. You're going to have instructions. So as soon as you make that purchase, you're going to have instructions on how you should keep your energy during the time that I'm putting that petition forward. And so you should be having some level of intentionality. I'm going to be telling you some things to do throughout the day and some things to do during that time that I'll be doing what I'm doing. And so with you following those instructions, doing what you're supposed to be doing, and we have a collective, it's typically when I do this petition, it's over 50, between 50 and 60 people who are participating. That's a lot of energy. And, and this is in association with our, abundance. And, and abundance is, it comes in so many forms in our lives. And so that's the intention, is to line up with that, give thanks for that, and the lining up with it, aligning with it is the ultimate giving thanks for it and giving over to it and getting to a space where you are receiving it and accepting it. And that's the goal of that day. And that's the goal of that petition. So those are all available. Again, the Break Every Chain, the Stress and Grief Relief, the New Moon and Full Moon bundles, as well as the opportunity for you to participate in that weekly prosperity and abundance petition. They're all available on my Etsy page. Okay, so you can find that at OU Marketplace on Etsy, or at the link in the bio if you're watching this on Instagram, or at the link in the caption if you're watching this on YouTube. Okay, so give thanks for the inspiration. I give thanks for the inspiration. I pray, I speak that all of these things will be beneficial for those who partake in them, and that it will be all that they pray or that they are inspired for it to be in their lives. All right, Ashe, peace.